Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will see how to install IntelliJ on your PC or desktop. Just type IntelliJ and here in www.jetbrains.com, you will see IntelliJ idea. So go to that link. This is the official website to download IntelliJ. Just scroll down and you will see here we have to choose our edition. So here there are two edition here, that is IntelliJ Idea Ultimate and IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. We are going to download the Community Edition. So download the executable file here. Wait for a moment, it will download the file. So we are going to create a new project here. Click new project. And you will see here the SDK version, that is 16, we have installed earlier, that is shown here. And make sure you have selected Java here. Click next. And you have to give your project name here. I'm just giving Hello World. And if you want to change your project location, you just go here and change your location and click finish. It will take some time to load everything. Just wait for a minute. Once it is done, we'll see how to run a Hello World program using this IntelliJ. So the pop-ups shown every time you open the app. If you want this, you keep it. Otherwise, you just click don't show tips here and just close this. Don't do anything until it's loaded completely. The internet connection is weak here, so yeah, I will tell you what's on this IntelliJ. Under the project session, you'll see the project here that we have created, Hello World, and another source you find the hello world.iml. first we need to create a package here. So I'm going to create a new package. After that we'll see how to run Java program. Right click under the source and give new package here, and the package name here I'm going to give us hello. And after that, new Java class hello world. Yeah, that class is created here. You'll see we are going to create a main here. Public static void main string arguments. Inside the main we have to print the hello world. System dot out dot println and just give a text hello world. And the hello world that is building the project. Once it is done, we'll see the output. The build is completed successfully, and here, yeah, we'll see the output here hello world. So if you want to change anything, just give your hello Java world and run here. After the process is completed, you'll see the output here hello Java world. That's it.